Cameroonian urban pop singer Daphne Njie has recently stunned the internet with pictures of herself dressed in green. According to most internet users, Daphne Njie might be pregnant. Meanwhile, that still remains a rumor because it is yet to be confirmed. After Daphne Njie uncovered her emotional rape experience, she has been able to speak up against gender-based violence through her foundation, Be Woman Foundation. Daphne Njie shared her story on social media, highlighting that she has been through a series of depressions, anxiety, panics, and attacks. Here is her story. My name is Daphne Njie Efundem. I was raped as a child by someone whom I don't remember. I have lived through a series of depressions, anxiety and panic attacks, and a deterioration of my health due to the trauma I've been through. I tell my story to let you know you're not alone and you need help. I started Be Woman by Daphne because so many women and girls are suffering from the effects of sexual harassment and don't know that they need help or where to go to for help. Meanwhile, the popular Cameroonian singer is now happily married. She did her traditional marriage in Yaoundé last 7th November 2020. Through her activism against gender-based violence, she has been able to move forward, she has been able to embrace life, and she is now very happy. She is now a fulfilled woman. After posting a video of herself on Snapchat, Daphne Njie said she is sorry to have disappointed some of her fans who were hoping that she is pregnant. Meanwhile, the recent pictures of her show that she might be expecting a baby because most internet users have been pouring messages of congratulations. Considering the postures in the picture, Daphne Njie has been placing her hands on her stomach and trying to make others notice that there is something there. Meanwhile, it remains a rumor. Cameroonian urban pop singer has received countless awards for her performance as Best Female Artist in Central Africa. She says, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step." Popular Cameroonian star Daphne Njie has also played a role in The Fisherman's Diary, the very first Cameroonian movie to be available on Netflix. Concerning Daphne Njie's reaction to critics, she says, "Sometimes I try to answer when people write really hurtful things about me. Then a part of me would ask me, is it even worth it? At that moment, I receive peace in my heart. I ignore that voice sometimes, but when I don't, it feels so good." The young Cameroonian pop artist finds a lot of fulfillment in fighting against gender-based violence. It's such joy to see our young boys, men equally interested in these topics, which over the years has been approached as only for girls and women.